I rather not use the word cancel, because technically that isn't the legal term. Canceling is when you're, not to give a legal course here, but it's essentially when you're returning everything back to the way it was prior. Well, when you cancel an insurance coverage, you're not giving back, you're not receiving back all the money you paid, and you're not giving back all the coverage you had. So, essentially, it's terminating the contract. But anyway, sorry, that was a tangent. I don't know why I went off on that. But back to what I was saying before I got sidetracked. I don't know, I lost my train of thought. Sorry, that was a poor choice. Anyway, basically, it makes sense. I'm trying to get back on, I swear. It makes sense to never settle and to, year after year, shop around for a new insurer. And if your current insurer, after you have this backing, after you have this evidence of the better rates, if they refuse to budge, then tell them goodbye and move on. That's what I wanted to say. Sorry. It turns out that, of course, signing up for insurance is easy, but when it comes to leaving insurance, they make it oh so difficult. They want you to mail or fax documents that release you from the contract and specify, and you have to... my last one, I had to do it in writing. I had to write them a letter. It couldn't be just a form. I had to write them a letter stating, I, Rodney Dixon, choose to leave your coverage, blah, 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 on this date. It was a big pain. But you know what? I'm telling you right now, it's worth it. I save, on average, year to year. Right now, my car isn't, it has passed 5 years yet. So, on average, I'm saving $200 a year. This will obviously diminish the older my car gets, but especially for a newer car, year after year, I'm telling you right now, $200 a year, especially in this economy, is nothing to sneeze at. I'd say that's worth the effort. That's worth 4 hours of your life one day.